This channel is built around one core idea. Your body is always communicating. Most of us were never taught how to understand the body as something that is constantly giving us information, whether it be through tension or pain, through fatigue, restriction, those lovely moments of ease. We are always in communication with the body, and symptoms just aren't an annoyance. They act as communication. And because we were never really taught how to listen, we often end up trying to fix how we feel in ways that actually bypass how we're feeling, thinking harder, pushing more, pushing through, trying to override what the body is desperately trying to convey and express. But your brain is always working from the state that the body is in. So if your body is braced, overwhelmed, or exhausted, your thoughts, your moods, your reactions, your energy, all of it is shaped by what the body is feeling. Now, I've spent decades as a myofascial release therapist helping people recognize that the body is always talking, not through story or narrative, but through sensation. And most people were just never taught how to understand that language. And our body is constantly asking to be understood. Therapeutic exploration with the body at the center is still a massively underused resource, not just for pain or dysfunction, but for understanding our true selves at a deeper level. Now, in order to get the most from therapeutic self-care through a fascial-focused lens requires a willingness to participate and a curiosity to notice what's happening on the inside. If you've ever felt like you know what you should do to feel better, but something in your body just won't cooperate, getting to know how your body communicates with you is essential. And there's a good chance that your fascia, your connective tissue, just hasn't been included in the conversation yet. If we haven't met yet, I'm Rini. I teach fascial-focused self-care and therapeutic exploration of the body. I help people recognize that feeling their body isn't optional, it's foundational, and that having a relationship with your body is way more intriguing than managing symptoms. You don't have to believe or already know or understand any of this fascial language before you get started, because fascial intelligence has a really exciting learning curve. So every time you get down on the mat, you just have to be willing to feel. Knowing your body's language is a relief. It's a full body exhale and a sense of self-trust. It gives you the ability to navigate your life through a different lens, especially when it comes to your mood or stress or how you experience life. When your body has a voice, it changes everything. And there's nothing traditional about fascial-focused self-care. And that's the really good news. I want you to see how easy it can be. I'm so glad you're here. Grab a foam roller and meet me on the mat.